Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts accessibility. If you want to disable YouTube Shorts accessibility, features like voice narration, subtitles or screen reader options, this tutorial will show you how to turn them off in just a few steps. The first step is to turn off accessibility features on mobile. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon and then click on the gear icon to access the settings. After that, go to accessibility. And here, toggle off options like narrator or screen reader if they are enabled. As for the second step, is to disable accessibility features on desktop. And to do that, just open youtube.com on your browser and click on your profile icon to access settings and click on the gear icon to access the settings. Look for accessibility settings and disable captions, narrations or text-to-speech features. As for the third step is to turn off auto-generated captions. Now if captions appear automatically on shorts, disable them by going to settings. Let's go to settings. And captions, let's click on captions, it's next to the CC icon. And turn off auto-generated captions or show captions in general. As for the fourth and final step is to restart the YouTube app. Now after making changes, make sure you restart the YouTube app to apply the changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn off YouTube Shorts accessibility features. Follow these steps to adjust your settings and enjoy YouTube the way you prefer. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.